Okay, this is a Coursera assignment on making a light buzzer. That is a circuit will start buzzing when the light is low. Let's first see the circuit, which is relatively simple. Essentially, we have a piezo that acts as a loudspeaker, which is connected between the ground and the digital pin D8 that is used to control loudspeaker. We also have a series circuit with a 10K resistor together with a photoresistor connected between 5V and ground, and we're measuring the voltage on the pin S0, which is connected on the middle point between the resistor and the photoresistor. Let's now give a look at the code. As you see here, we have two parts. In the setup part, we essentially tune the circuit. That is, we determine which analog value, sensor value in this case, correspond to a situation where the light is on, and which sensor value we have when the light is covered. So how we do is we use a serial read or serial available to make sure that we measure first the high value, then when we are ready, we push any keys on the serial monitor, and then we tune the low value. Essentially, in these two sections, we are storing the sensor high variable, the highest value we measured during the light phase, and the lowest sensor value we measure in the dark phase, that is when we cover the LED. Essentially, we add some value which I've called threshold to the sensor low or to sensor high to give some kind of hysteresis and avoid that the circuit toggles too fast between the two states, buzzing and not buzzing. Once we're done, we pass to the main loop, which is the part where we generate the sound when the LED is covered. So essentially, we have some kind of state machine. If the sensor value is measured greater than the sensor high, we turn off the play. Otherwise, if we measure a sensor value which is lower than the sensor low, we turn on playing. And then when we are playing, here we emit a tone as 1000 followed by a tone of 2000 to generate the sound. Okay, now let's perform the simulation. Here I just have some previous output from a trial, but let's start now. Okay, so now I'm tuning the high value, so I'm bringing the LED light on the LED. You see the value now reads 974, which is the highest value. Now I just send a single character through the serial. So now I'm tuning the low value. I switch back to dark, so I get 54, which is the lowest value that is read when the LED is covered. So just back on the light, and then we proceed to the main loop. You see the tuning now has been done, and now the circuit is operating. That is, if now I'm covering the LED like this, as you see, the piezo is emitting the beep when the LED is covered. Now that put it back to a light position, the piezo has stopped working, stopped buzzing. So that's it.